me move back. No, okay. Yeah. So I'm going to close and pretend as if I'm just starting, right? So I'm going to close this, and then everybody, we can all start together here now. You can type uh, Luca, type Luca Studio, Luca Studio, and press enter. And then you will see, let me copy the link for you. So click this.
Prof.
Yes.
Prof.
Yes, yes.
Are we typing it on the web explorer?
Yeah, type it on your internet explorer, your web browser on
Okay.
the tab.
Okay, Luca Studio.
Luca Studio. Or you use the link that I want to put here now. So this is the link.
know I'm using my second.
It doesn't matter as
Okay.
long as there is internet there. So
Okay,
please let me know.
Okay. Let me type it. Okay.
Just click or go to the tab. Type https://datastudio.google.com. Then this thing will. Has anybody? Are we all on this page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Prof.
Excellent. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Excellent. So if you are there, it means we are all on the same page. There might be, you may possibly have nothing, no file that you have worked with before. So maybe this side might be vacant. But this will be the kind of the interface that you will have. So you can, when you click recent, of course, you will see your recent work, and then you can see report, maybe recent report. If you click here, you will also see recent data sources um, that you have used. And if you are here, you see recent Explorer, where you have explore your data. But if you are creating, then this is where you come. You can create a report. The way I created a report the other time. So you can create a report. You can also create a data source. So if I click this, so I can create a data source either from Looker, from Google Analytics, from Google Ads. But as a beginner like this, two most useful data source you will be creating data from will be Google Sheets and file upload. So if you have data in your on your laptop, you can always access the data from here. So later you will learn how to use other data sources. So I'm going to click to go back now. So again, if I am interested in creating Explorer, this is what I click when I want to explore my data and do some things, but we will also learn about that much later. So let me go back. So usually you want to, if you want to look at reports that are shared with you, you can click here to see those reports. For instance, let me show you this. Even though it's a consultancy work, this is a report that I created for INEC, which share with me. This is the report I created after the Ekiti and Osun governorship election. So it's about post-election training audit. Anyway, this is consultancy work. Just sharing this. So you have, this is a report that I generated. And then you see, so, but it's not for our consumption, it's just to show you some of the things that you could do. So you are not going to have that your own. So this here you find reports that you have shared with people or that that are shared with you. This is where you see the ones that are owned by you, and those that are in the trash, you will see them. This is a template. You can also see the template gallery here. You can use any of these template galleries to build your own. But we will also.
Prof, I did not see all this thing you are saying, no.
Okay. I know why you are not likely to see. So I will stop. Is it the same thing with everybody?
No, I was able to see.
I can see everything you are doing. I can see everything you are doing.
Excellent. So, but let's Unduka. Are you able to share your screen, Unduka, quickly, so that we can be on the same page? Unduka.
Prof, except I come.
I'm unable to see. I can't see all the things you've done too, sir. I can't see it on my own, on my data studio, Google Lookout Studio.
Okay, can you share your screen? Maybe you have the same issue.
Okay, let me share my screen.
So I've stopped sharing now. Share your screen. I know what will likely happen.
I think we have to register something like that.
For me, I was asked to make some quick registration. Which
exactly, you would be asked to do some registration.
I did that too.
I
did that too, Prof.
So share your screen.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
What's registration?
Are you not asked to do some, accept some terms and conditions and things like that?
No.
Exactly.
There are terms and conditions which you'll be asked to accept. Yes.
For me, I was asked which
you have to accept all the terms and conditions.
So yeah, they click. Can you see template gallery? Template gallery on the right hand side. Yes, where you have arrow down up. Yes, click that.
Yes.
Yes, click it. That's where you see the whole gallery.
Okay, sir.
Is that what you said you didn't see?
No, the other, what I call it, when you came, is it shared with me?
Okay,
Yeah,
share
from-
with nothing has been shared with you. I've not shared anything with you. You are not going to see anything.
Okay.
Click share with me. Share with me.
Okay.
Nothing has been shared with you. But if I share something with you now, you will see it. Let me share something with you. Let me
Okay.
share my last.
Okay, then
So
sorry,
that-
Prof, the data
Yes.
sources, I couldn't click on Explorer. Data sources is blank. Can you see it, sir?
Data sources.
Yeah.
Yes, don't worry. There is nothing because you have not created any data. But if you want to, have you downloaded the data?
Yes, the data on COVID-19 you mentioned, I downloaded it, sir. I have it.
Excellent. So if you want to see the data, I will show you how to do that. So go to just go to report. I will show you very soon. Don't worry. Now, so that we don't jump the arrangement that I have. Click on owned by me. I'm going to share. Can you tell me your email again?
Okay. DOLEX. DOLEX.
Just a minute. D O
OLEX.
DOLEX.
Yes. ONE. ONE.
ONE.
No, ONE. Dolex 1. ONE. 1.
ONE
Yes, at gmail.com.
at gmail.com. Excellent. So I'm going to share with you now, and then you will also. I've shared with you now. So you should be able to go back to share with me. Share with me. Let me see. Are you still there, Redele? Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir. I've seen your mail, sir. I just received your mail.
Click share with me on the local studio.
Okay.
Click share with me.
Okay, I've seen it, sir. I've clicked on it.
You have clicked on it. Share
Yes.
with me. Now, if you have clicked on it, show your screen. Let's see now.
Okay, I'm still sharing my screen. I've not stopped sharing.
Yes.
Can you see my screen, sir? I'm still sharing. I've not stopped. I didn't stop sharing.
Yes. So go to, if you want to see the data, click the no. Just click the blank report. Click the blank report, for instance.
Okay. Okay, I've clicked on it.
Click the blank report.
Okay.
Yes. And then scroll down a bit. And then click the one you downloaded. Yes.
File upload.
File upload. Or go back, click the arrow, add to report. Go back, click that one, yes. And then
Add to
my
report.
data sources. Let me see my data. Click my data sources. After connect to data. No.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Do you see anyone that click the first one? World population data.
Should I click add?
Yes. Click add. Yeah. Sorry. So this is, you are now on the dashboard. So
Okay.
don't let us go beyond this.
Okay, that's fine.
So
sir.
that you are
All right, sir.
gradually. Then the link I shared with you, minimize this and open the link I shared with you.
Okay. Okay. The invitation. Okay.
The one I shared with you for the report that I created.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir.
The one I just shared with you. Yes.
Yes, I've opened it now. Should I share my screen?
Yes. Share your screen so that
I have to
others
stop.
will see.
Oh, you're still sharing your screen.
I have to stop this so I can share.
Yes. Maybe you didn't share the entire window.
Yes, it wasn't the entire window, sir.
So click present now. This entire window. Or your entire screen.
Okay.
Great.
Okay. Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay.
So open that report. That's what I'm asking.
Okay.
Open it.
I've opened it.
Yes. It has not come up.
It hasn't come up. I've opened it. It should.
We've not seen it at this end. It's coming. Oh.
You stop sharing screen.
Okay, let me share my entire screen so that might make it a bit. Let me see.
Stanley, are you there?
I'm here, Prof.
Okay. Iredele?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I've opened it.
Everybody should be able. Yeah, so it's coming up now. Excellent. Can you see the report now?
Yes, sir.
Everybody should be able to see. You can click edit if you now want to edit it with me. Click edit on the top. You'll be able to edit with me.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
Prof.
so
only
only
the person you sent this to can access it. Those of us.
Yes, I have sent. I've sent to all of you. Now I'm going to resend so that you can all be able to use it. So I'm giving you all a link now. I'm going to invite all of you now, and you'll be able to edit.
So, Prof, why were you not able to access it with the link you dropped on the chat?
Huh?
Sir? You know, you dropped a link. You dropped a link initially on the chat. I've been in our chat.
Yes.
Why were we not able to access the link?
You are able to access it through that link, right?
No. It's telling me that I need to ask for permission before
Yes, I'm going to give you another link now, which will allow you to edit if you want to edit. So can edit.
So can I stop sharing, Prof, so that others can see what you're
doing?
Yeah,
you can stop sharing. You can stop sharing. So I'm giving you a new link now. There's another link that is posted on the chat menu. Hi, chat, are you back? Wow. Okay.
Prof is telling me
so
that your current accounts cannot access the report, or the report doesn't exist.
Your current account?
Yes, I don't understand why.
Okay, I'm going to share my screen now. I want everybody to have access to that. I don't just want to start entering individual email account. It will take time. Anyone with this,
It's asking me to request for access.
Same thing.
Okay. Just a minute. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes,
I'm
we
going to
can.
give you. I'm going to give you another one now. Try this link. Or is it not? It's not different from
It's the same thing.
the same thing.
Yes, sir.
It's the same thing, Prof.
Or what is the problem?
Can't access it.
I think the solution is for us to know how to get our data. Once we're able to get that, we'll reach that level of output.
Okay, let me give you.
What Prof is trying to do is also part of what we need to know.
Yes, I know. Okay, so I'm giving you yet another one. Don't worry. I hope is. So the alternative is for you to give me, type your email on type your email on the chat menu to make it easy. Can you type your email on the chat menu for me? Excellent. Okay. FCBA. Okay. Yeah. So I copy FCBA and then put here. Then yes. Yes. Ayo. Yes. Yes. Great. Yes. Oye. Lami. Yes. So this is how you do it. Copy and then paste. Some people have not given me their own. So type
Prof,
your,
I'm giving you my own.
yes, I've added it. So I've added FCBA, Akano, Ore, Ayobami, Bode, Oyelami, Moseri, Okorie. Who else is there? I can see, yes, Iredele second time, not too much. So, is any other one coming? Yes, Okun, Lola, yes. Is any other one coming? I hope that is the last. So, that's good one. So, I can give all of you the edit permission now, and then I send to you. So it's been sent to your email, and then you can now access. So let's make progress now. Who else is not able to view the interface the way I'm able to, who is not able to view the screen like this?
Yeah, I've been able to open it now.
Excellent, excellent. So I believe we are all on the same page now.
Yeah.
Excellent. Who is still there? Folashade, okay, some people are just coming. Let me add them.
Nothing is shared with me. That's the response I got.
Nothing is shared with you. Okay, let me go back and share something with you.
Same here. I'm unable to get it. So.
Okay, I can see it at my end.
You can see at your hand.
Yes. I mean, I
So-
can now access the
Okay,
template you worked on.
excellent. So the thing now is that all of us can even work on that template together. But we are not in a hurry. And Okunlola, I'm just going to add you now. Confidence, I'm also just going to add you now. And then Abdullah Aisha, I'm going to add you now. So, and I'm going to give you the edit permission. And so it's now being sent. It's been sent to you now. All of us are here. So let me go back to the interface. This is the interface. We will learn few things before we round up today. I've taken you through the environment. The environment is not that congested with many things. So as we go on, you will learn a number of things. But I've done the visual demonstration. I use it to start. The next thing that I want to do is to discuss some basic concept in GDS. And it's very important that we understand this before we can start trying something on our own with our own data. So if you want to go with me as I do it, there is a small data set in our that we are going to use. If you go to our Google Classroom, I call it Demo Data 1. If you want to follow me, so you can just open the Demo Data 1, click it. So this is the data. I think you all have anyone who has the link can easily access it. Are you all able to see this data?
Yes, Prof.
Excellent.
I don't know whether it's only me. Prof is not audible again.
Oh, my voice is not audible.
I think it's from his end.
I think your network.
You are clear here. You are clear from this side, Prof.
Yes, I
From
can
that
hear you
side,
clearly, Prof.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So my question is whether you are all able to see this.
Yes, I can.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So I'm going to use it to explain some concepts. There are three things we shall understand. Who is giving us background music? Let's finish before we dance. I'm going to explain three things: data set, connectors, and data sources. So if I'm using this for illustration, this is your data set. So when we talk about data set, we mean the original data, the underlying data. And the underlying data could be in the Google Sheet, could be in the analytics, it could be in my SQL and other listing. So the original data set is always in the form, in this structure. I've explained this before to those who took my previous courses. You can see the way the structure of the standard structure for presenting your data is to have the variables in the column. So ID is a variable which is identification number. Type is a variable. Color is a variable. Material is a variable. Inventory is a variable. So normally you have variables in the column, and in the rows, that is where you have the observations. No, that's where you have the observations. But in the columns A, B, C, D, E, you have. So when you are preparing your data, which is very, very critical, you must always remember this. Ask yourself, where are my variables? Are they on the columns? No. So your variables must be on the columns. We will still talk a little bit about that. But the point at this moment is that the original data set you are dealing with represent your data set. Then there is what we call connector. And if you go to your Looker Studio and you click maybe on title report, the first thing it will bring is this half window, and you will see Google connectors. You will see Google connectors. At present, there are 24 connectors. How many do you have in your own?
I have 24.
You have 24, yes. So by tomorrow, it may increase. It's been increasing. Before I got there, before now, it used to be 16, 17 or so, but it has increased. Who has a different number? Who has a different number? Are you still there? Nduka?
I have 24.
You have 24. Nduka, are you still there?
Yeah, Prof, I'm here. But I couldn't, I told you my system does not connect.
Okay. You might need to just follow, no problem. So we have connector. Now, what are the connectors? These are the connectors. Looker, Google Analytics, Google Ads. You can also see the Google survey for those who use Google surveys. You can, you can see Cloud SQL for MySQL and so on. You can also see Google Sheets. So don't worry yourself. At the beginning like this, you might just need the Google Sheet connector as well as the one that you can use to pick from your file. Where is it? File upload. Google Sheet or file upload might be the ones that you might need for this time being. So the connector is the one that actually connects your data set to data source. If you go to this, let me go back here. You will notice that we talk about data sources. So you can also create data sources. So in essence, your data set, which is the original data or the underlying data, is connected by connector to the Google data source, And what does it do there? The data source is the representation of the underlying data. In other words, you can, in the data source, change many things about the original data in the data source without it affecting the original data source. I pick that again. So you can do many things with the data here. Represent the data, the underlying data, without it affecting the original data. That is the role of connector. The connector is simply sharing this data to the data source, and it allows you to manipulate, do a lot of pre-processing with the data without it affecting the original data. Am I able to communicate that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Prof,
Great.
I think what
Yes.
you mean by original data is also the underlying data.
Is the underlying data. For instance, this is our underlying data. So if I do any data pre-processing after connecting to the Google data source, if I do anything, it's not going to change the underlying data. Is that clear?
That's very clear.
It's not going to, which means your underlying data, whatever format it is, remains intact. Excellent.
Okay.
Regardless of whatever is going on in the data source, environment. Is that clear?
It's clear, Prof.
It's clear.
Because that is very fundamental as you continue to build your dashboard and work on your. So don't have the feeling that my original data is now changing. It's not going to change. It's not affected. You still have your underlying data unaffected. So that is about